What's going on, guys? It's Martin Iyo here. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how I was able to secure a USA number for live that I can use to make calls, receive text messages, and also to register to most of these websites that do not allow people from certain parts of the world to register. So guys, if you're an online entrepreneur or if you are an affiliate marketer and you need a foreign number that you can be able to use, it can be a USA number, it can be a Canadian number that you can use to register to most of these websites that don't allow people from your country. Guys, this video is going to be much more valuable to you. But before we get into the video, guys, please, if you have not subscribed on my YouTube channel, or if please kindly subscribe to this channel, please, and also click that bell notification icon, because what it does is that whenever I drop a new valuable video like this, YouTube is going to notify you so that you get in and get what I call the first timer advantage, whereby you'll be able to see the video I'm showing you, take advantage before hundreds of thousands of other people get in and it becomes very crowded. You understand? Because what I do in this channel is to teach you guys how you can be able to make money online, the software and tools you can be able to use to do just that. So guys, make sure you are a subscriber to this channel. And also, if you have any questions, if you have any comments or concern, please drop it on the comment section. Or if you just want to tell me, thank you Martin for dropping this valuable video, I would love to read those comments. So please drop them in the comment section and I will definitely reply to your questions that I need to reply to, guys. So please, let's get into the video and I will show you guys how you can be able to get this number for live. Okay guys, the website that we are going to use to get this number is known as Hushed. As you can see already here, that Hushed is where you can get a private phone number that you can use to send text messages, make private calls, or also you can also use it to verify most of the website that will require you, that will send a verification code to your phone number. So guys, but the thing is, when you want to get this number here, if we go to their plans and pricing, you will find out that they have a variety of pricing here right now. You understand? They have a variety of plans that you can go through. They have the prepaid, the unlimited subscription, and pay as you go. And the most popular plan which people normally go for, which I've already used before, is this unlimited subscription. But the problem here is that when you forget to make payment for this plan, you are going to lose this. And another thing is also the pricing. Like if you look here now, this is $3.99 per month, which means that this is almost approximately $4, which means that by the end of 12 months you are paying like $48 per year for this particular plan. But the issue here is when you forget to make payment, remember this, when you forget to make payment, you will lose access to your number and you will not be able to get that number again. So that's very, very important for you to pay attention to. So right now, I'm going to show you guys how you can be able to get this number for life, and also far less than what you are supposed to pay for it per year. You understand? So where we are going to be going to get this number for life is known as AppSumo. Guys, don't bother, I'm going to drop the link of this particular page or how you can be able to get this on the description below. So just go and click the link on the description and it's going to bring you here. So as you can see, this place offers a Hushed lifetime phone number, and this is the only way you can get this number for now. So they are giving 83%, because on the normal this thing goes for $150. But right now, because you are watching this video right now and because that this is still on sale, you can get it for just $25. And there are so many amazing benefits that they listed below that you can be able to go through. When you come to this page, you can see they are giving you a lifetime access to Hushed. And guys, the most important thing here is also the 60-day money back guarantee that they are giving here. No matter the reason that you have, if you think that this is not a good deal after purchasing, you can quickly come back and request for a refund and they give you your money back. But guys, I bet you on this that you are going to need this number, because this will surely come in handy for you in one way or the other. So guys, you can come through here. Let me just take you guys through on some of the benefits that you need to get when you purchase this number. Like for example, the lifetime plans also include 6,000 SMS credit with it and 1,000 minutes worth of credit per year. And guys, this thing renews every blessed year. I've not been able to exhaust this because I don't know how many messages I'm going to send or receive in a year on a phone number that is going to exhaust 6,000. Do you understand? So basically, I might not be paying any other extra charge to buy any credit. This is going to be enough for what I need it for to operate my online businesses. So guys, And also you can be able to see, you can see here right here that after 12 months the license is being renewed automatically without you having to do anything. But guys, you have to pay attention to this. If you do not use this number for at least 6 months to send the text messages or make calls, they are going to block you off and take the number away from you, because they are putting in money, they are recharging credits on this particular number so that you can be able to make use of it. And once they find out that you are not using it, they will feel that maybe you're not interested in the deal again, and they will take it off from you. So guys, make sure that you use this number once in every 6 months. You can come through here, read through all the informations that you are going to get here, but I'm going to summarize this thing on the pros and cons that you are going to get. So guys, the pros that this number gives to you is that this number is for life. You can use this thing anywhere in the world that have access to internet. You understand? So it's very, very necessary if you are an online entrepreneur to have such number, because it will definitely come in handy for you. So guys, let's go straight on how you can be able to get this number. So once you come to this page, which I will drop the link in the description, click on the buy now button. Once you get here, Hush will be automatically added to your AppSumo account. If you have not created an account, once you click on this proceed to checkout and do everything, AppSumo will prompt you to create an account with them, which you have to use the email that you also want to use to register for this Hush to create. This is very important. So once you get to this page, you can just click on proceed to checkout. So when you get here, all you have to do is to select your payment method. You can use credit or debit card, or you can use PayPal. But me, I don't normally use my credit card on websites for security reasons. So I normally like to use my PayPal account, and I will continue. And guys, also, if you would like me to show you a video on how you can be able to create a PayPal account, you can comment it down below, and I will, if much people comment, I will go ahead and create the video for you. So once you select PayPal and click on continue order, you can just go here and click on PayPal checkout. Once you click on it, it will roll up the PayPal page for you to make payment. So what you have to do is just fill in your login details for PayPal, click login, then to automatically take you for you to be able to make payment. So guys, once you have already made payment, Hush is going to send you an email, then telling you that you have been able to get your new Hush phone number. So what you have to do right now is for you to claim your purchase. So how to claim your purchase is you have to go back to the AppSumo platform, then you go log into your account. I'm already logging right now. Then go to my products. So when you get to this my product section, it's going to display a list of products that you have purchased from AppSumo. Right now, if you only purchase Hush lifetime phone number, you will see it here. So what you have to do is to come down under the action tab and select redeem. This will definitely help you to redeem your code. So what you now have to do, just select this redemption code, you copy it, click on redeem now. Then once you click on, remember, copy this code, this is unique to you. Once you click on this redeem now button, it will take you directly to where you can be able to redeem your offer. So put in the phone number you use to buy this from AppSumo, and put in your phone number, your email, sorry, no, not phone number, put in your email. For example, if I put in my email right now, then put in the offer code. It's not going to work right now. It's going to tell me invalid offer code because I have used this to redeem my own. But once you put in your own right now, it's going to tell you congratulations, and now you now have to follow the next step that I'm going to show you right now. So once it tells you congratulations that this thing has worked, so what you now log into your Hush dashboard. So what will now happen is you will come over here and click on get new number. So once you click on get new number, then see guys, if you don't have an account with Hush here, all you have to do here is to create an account using the email that you purchased the Hush product from on AppSumo. That's very, very important. So once you do that, click on login. So this will definitely take you to the Hush dashboard. So what you now have to do right now is click on get new number, because you're trying to get a new number. So you have to select the country that you want to get the number from. So in this case, it's going to be United States, then it's going to be a mobile number, then the region. You can just click here and select any region that you want. You can choose Alabama, then you select, this is where you have to say take the phone number you want. If you don't want this particular phone number that is being displayed here, click on more numbers so that it will search for different number. Select the numbers that you want to take. Let's say I'm going with this one, then it's going to bring you to this page. But because you are going for the free, the lifetime access, you will see, because you've already made payment, you will see another option whereby it's going to show you lifetime free access. That's the one you're going to click. You don't need any one of this one here. I've already claimed my own. That's why my own is now appearing here. So you are immediately going to select that particular one. Once you select that particular one, your number will be yours. This number, you can now use it to do whatever thing that you want to do with it online. You can use it to make calls, you can use it to send text messages, send voicemail messages, you can use it to register to most of these online platforms that do not accept people where you come from. So guys, I believe that you guys get massive value from this video. Please remember, if you have any question or you have any concern or comment, please drop it in the comment section. And please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do well to subscribe to this channel. Click the bell notification button so that whenever I drop a new YouTube video just like this, YouTube is going to notify you so that you can come in and take advantage of the video that I'm going to drop you. And guys, please do well to give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube algorithm can show this video to more and more people. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys on my next video.